Hey guys, so I am going to take you on a long overdue tour of my craft room. I'm in the process of actually cleaning out my craft room, but before I did that, I wanted to just show you all what my craft room has looked like over time. So this is what it currently looks like. Just gonna take you on a tour. So this is my crafting space. Yeah, this is where all my content creation happens. So just gonna walk you over here. If you've ever done a one-on-one call with me, or if you've ever done one of my free workshops or free classes, you've definitely seen this background right here. I have my Epson EcoTank 2850 here. This is the one that I print with regularly. I do have one that I converted into a sublimation machine right over here. This is my camera. So if you've ever watched most of my videos, I actually use my camera to record with. I have a Canon EOS M50 camera. That's what I use to record like 99% of my videos. So yeah, this is my chair that I'm typically sitting in. Definitely am upgrading to like an office chair. But yeah, this is my little corner right here. As you can see, I have my Maker 3 right here on top of my other Epson EcoTank 2850. I converted this one into a sublimation printer. As you can see, I do have some sublimation designs right here on my table. This is a mouse pad, sublimation mouse pad. This is the table that I create on. That's my tripod right here that's on the table. So whenever I record my tutorial videos, my camera is connected right here and it's looking down onto the table, okay? So I have my other CRICUT machine right there, my CRICUT Explorer Air 2 machine over there. Just gonna walk around. Got some other random things just sitting on my desk, on my table. So CRICUT Explorer Air 2, and then I also have a HTV Runt heat press. My CRICUT Easy Press 2 has a short in the plug, so I upgraded to this one. You can also see my X-Tool machine right here. I haven't used it in a while. Definitely gonna get back to using it. My storage space that I put together about a year ago. Yeah, just got all the things. I've had to depend on this drawer even more so now, because if you all remember that one video where I showed you me cleaning out my craft closet, which is right over there, everything in that closet is coming out as well. Again, I'm kind of cleaning out this craft room. I will be moving here pretty soon, so I'm just making space for some new things, okay? So these are all of my blanks, and that drawer is stuffed to the max. These are like balloons and different materials like that. I do like putting together balloon arches. These are all of my like just boxes and cake toppers. Typically store those here. This has turned into my HTV drawer. So I got all my parchment paper, my heat resistant tape. All of my HTV is in here as well. Also have some inks that go into my sublimation printer and my regular printer. And then finally down here, I have shipping supplies for when I ship Etsy orders. So that is that. Yeah, I have a pile of shred paper here. That's my shredder. My little shelf that has all the things, just books and things. So this is the closet. Again, if you remember me recording a video, probably last year or some time ago, I had actually cleaned this closet. I'm still cleaning it now. I had organized the closet, but now I'm kind of like cleaning it to remove stuff out. So I did have like a bunch of shoes over here. These are my little light boxes that I use whenever I'm recording, just to make sure my lighting is good. But yeah, it looks a mess in here again, and that's because I'm pulling everything out. Like, I've taken so much stuff out of here. There were things up top. Again, I had shoes all over on that side. This is where I had like my heat transfer vinyl. Also had my adhesive vinyl too. All that stuff is moved out now. So again, I'm pulling all the things out of here. So yeah, this is a tour of my craft room. There's a mirror right there. But yeah, tour of my craft room. Very long overdue, but I'm glad that you all were able to come on this little tour with me. So let me know down in the comments what you think about my craft room. Do you have your own craft room? Does your craft room need to be cleaned? Yeah, just let me know in the comments.